Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I want to show you about this platform, this trust wallet mining. You can only do this on using Polygon. Yes, you can only do this using Polygon. Now, this platform was just launched. Now, this platform is just a 4 days old platform. As you can see it here, the last time I checked it, the first day they launched it, I know it. So this platform is just 4 days. So right now, this is the best time to make profit from this platform. And your daily return on this platform is 20% on whatever you have there. 20%. So your daily earning on this platform is 20%. 20%, yeah. So guys, this is how to go about this platform. Firstly, you need a Trust wallet. Go to your Play Store or Apple Store to download Trust wallet, then register for your Trust wallet. Then after you do your registration on your Trust wallet, now on this video, okay, let me show it to you. After you do your registration on your Trust wallet, the next thing you need to do right now is to click at the top right here. Coming, sorry for the message. Just click at the top right here. Click at this top here. Click here. When you click there, then you search for Polygon. This one, it should be like this before, so you just turn it on. So when you get the Polygon, when you turn it on, so if you don't have Polygon, then try to transfer Polygon to this place. As you can see, I just do this one now from my other wallet. I transfer it to this place because I don't want to do it on my other wallet. As you can see, I create another wallet for this one. I create another wallet for this Polygon mining. So after that, after you get your Polygon, as you can see, I want to do it with $10 Polygon now. So you will check the description of this video. You will see the link you are to copy. Then click on your browser. Click on your browser here. Click on your browser here. When you click on the browser, then the link you copied on this video description, just paste it here. Then it will take you to the platform page. It will take you to the platform page. Then the next thing to do now is to change this Ethereum contact here and change it to Polygon. This one here, click on it, then change it to Polygon. Now click on it. Let me click on it. Now this is Polygon here, the first one here. So click on it, then change it to Polygon. So that is it. So now if you want to invest, you can check through this platform. As you can see right now, I don't have anything here right now. You can see I haven't to invest right now. So after that, then you click on connect wallet. This one here, click on connect wallet. Click on it to connect your wallet. Now click on trust wallet. This one here, click on trust wallet, then connect. Click on connect. That is it. I have connect my Polygon this thing now. So click on sign in. Click on sign. Now my account is connected. One thing about this platform is that in 10 days you will make 200% on any money you put in. 200%, you will make 200% return. You can also do a calculation to know how much you will be making. For example, let's say as I want to invest $10 now, let's know how much I will be making on $10. As you can see, $10 will make 20 matic for me. 20 matic. That is 10 10 matic will make 20 matic for me in 10 days. In 10 days, I will earn 20 matic on this platform. 20 matic, that is times 2. I will make it in 10 days. So let's say you put in 100 matic. That means you will get 200 matic in 10 days. If you have like 1000 matic there, you will get like 2000 matic in 10 days. And this one will give you 8 matic per hour. 8 matic per hour. Right now, matic is about almost $1. Matic is almost $8. So you can do the calculation. $8 times 24 hours. This it will give you 100 matic daily. Let's say you invest like 1000 matic, then you'll be getting 100 matic daily. And one thing about this platform is that you can decide to withdraw your money. You can decide to withdraw your money. So now let's start our investment. Now let me click on invest now. You will click on invest now, this one here. Click on it. So when you click on invest now, what you need to do right now is to enter the amount you want to invest. Now I have 12 matic on my wallet, so I want to invest all. So I click on 12 now, 12 matic. So click on invest. Minimum investment on this platform is 1 matic. So click on invest. Need change shame before invest. It seems this thing I do here is not yet changed, so let me do it. So it's connected already before, so it's because it has not showed here. So now make sure it shows here that your wallet is connected. Make sure it shows here the amount of matic you have on your wallet. Make sure it shows here. So when it shows there, then you click on invest. You type in the amount you want to invest, then you click on invest. Then let's wait for the contract. Wait for the contract call. Now smart contract call. Now click on approve. Click on approve to approve it. Now that is it. That is it. We have invest on this platform now. On this platform now. As you can see, new notification, new deposit was created. So this is it here now. This is it. Date of investment 10/10/2022. Amount of matic invested 12 in 10 days, because we are only doing this in 10 days. 10 days. After that 10 days, you get back your money, you get back your investment capital and the profit. Or you can withdraw at any time. You can withdraw your profit at any time. As you can see it here now, it's reading. As you can see it here, our investment is reading. This is day 0 now. By this time tomorrow, it will be day 1. By this time tomorrow, it will be day 1. By this time upper tomorrow, it will be day 2. So like that, like that, like that. As you can see now, you can withdraw. You can withdraw at any time. You can withdraw. So from this little one I have mined here, so let me try to withdraw to know how much is their withdrawal. Minimum withdrawal. So let me click on withdraw. Click on withdraw. And again, before I go to withdraw, only for withdraw, wait for that. So before I go to withdraw, let me go back to my wallet and show you that they have removed the Polygon. As you can see, they have removed the Polygon from here already. They have removed the Polygon. If you can look very well, we see that I only have 0.784117 matic remain on my this thing. So let me try to withdraw if this is real or not. So I will click on browser now and check if I can withdraw. So I click on withdraw. Let me wait for the contract to call. I've clicked on withdraw now. Click on withdraw. Then approve it. As you can see, they are taking a charges fee of 0.002 for Matic for the withdrawal, and I have like 0.006 there. So that means should receive like 00 point. I should receive like 0.004 something. So let me click on approve. Maybe. So let's wait for it. As you can see, money from deposit was sent. This is it here. They just sent me this thing. As you can see here, this is it. As you can see, this one has decreased now. It has decreased. It has decreased. So let me go back to my wallet and check if it really gets to me. If the Polygon I just withdraw really come. So as you can see it here, this is it. It has added to my wallet, as you can see it here. So guys, this is another ways to make money on Trust Wallet liquidity mining. This is another way to make money on Trust Wallet now. This platform is still young. It's just four days old. So for now, you can still make good money on this platform. This is the right time you can make good money from this platform. So guys, and again, let me show you another things on concerning this platform. Let me show you another things concerning this platform. You can also make money on this platform getting team, as in if you, let's say you invite some of your friends, you introduce some of your friends into this platform. Now let's say you introduce some of your friends to this platform, then you will make, as you can see it here, they write it here, every investor provided with a generated referral link and promo tools to attract new users to S2 Matic. The two-level referral, they have like only two-level referral program allowed here. They have like only referral program. So on your first level referral, that is your first level team, the person you invite, you will be getting 7% from whatever that person is earning. You'll be getting 7% daily from whatever that person is earning, and you will be getting 3% from the person from your level 2 referral. That is the person you refer, the person that he or she refer. You'll be getting 3% from the person every single day. So this is another ways to make money on this platform. So guys, don't miss this opportunity and don't lose this opportunity. Try to register on this platform because it's still new. As you can see it, it's just 4 days old. 4 days old. 4 days old here. So guys, try to register on this platform and start making money. This is the amount I just withdraw right now. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And if this is your first time on this channel and you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribing button and hit the bell beside it, behind it, so that anytime I drop another video on how to make money online, such like this or more like this, you'll be the first person to see the notification, the video notification on your phone screen. You will see the notification immediately so that you won't miss any opportunity coming. So thank you. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any question to ask, you can ask on the comment section. I will be happy to answer you. So see you next on my next video. Goodbye.